Hello guys, this is Brad, and the quote I like to share today is the biggest reason why I despise internet trolls is I have to witness their waste. Uh, Spending time on being jealous or writing anything unnecessary is a total waste in my opinion. I'm reasonably productive guy because I have written about 38 books so far. And when you go to my book site, it's called the UnBrokable series, UnBrokable number one. You'll see more quotes there, and if you click the number two, uh, you'll see more quotes. So just feel free to check.